Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the huge recruitment notification from the 12 state government universities under the Public Service Commission. So here the total 504 vacancies are there, and all these are the permanent assistant professor vacancies. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, first we will see the list of universities and the number of vacancies in those universities, and then we will go into the in details guys. So first one is the Utkal University, 48 vacancies, Sambalpur University 28, Berhampur University 35, Fakrin Mohan University 14, and MSCB University 34, and Ravenshaw University 106, Ramadevi Women's University 63, and Gangadhar Meher University 23, and Kalikote University 5, Rajendra University 72, and Kalahandis University 64, and Jagannath Sanskrit University 12. Total 504 vacancies are there guys. So all these notifications came from the Odisha Public Service Commission. Okay, so the recruitment to the post of assistant professors in different state public universities under the Administrative Council of the Higher Education Department. And here you may check down the link for registration or re-registration, and payment of examination fee shall be available from 15th April 2021 till 14th March 2021, and 22nd March 2021 is the last date for submission of registered online application for the recruitment of post of assistant professors under the level 10 category. So level 10 means, I think all of you know that the salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And coming to the last date here, there is one notice from the Odisha Public Service Commission guys regarding the extension of this one. So you may check down. So assistant professor in different state public universities under the administrative control. So consequent upon government's clarification, provision of 5% relaxation in master's degree as applicable to the candidate belonging to SC, ST and PWD category in educational qualification shall now be extended to candidates belonging to SC, BC category also. And apart from this one, they also mentioned one more point. The last date for online registration or re-registration and payment of examination fee is extended till 6th April 2021. And apart from this one, the last date for submission of registered online application is extended till 13th April 2021. So here the dates are extended guys. The candidates who did not utilize this opportunity, so please utilize. Okay, and coming to the maximum age limit is at 21. Okay, minimum age limit is at 21 and maximum age limit, so there is no limitation here guys. And educational qualification, master's degree with 55% of marks, and the relaxation of 5% shall be allowed to the candidates belongs to SC, ST or PWD candidates. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC or CSIR net qualification must be there. So the set or SLET qualification is also acceptable. Okay, and other eligibility conditions, the candidate must be a citizen of India. So a candidate who has more than one spouse living will not be eligible, and the government servants, whether temporary or permanent, are eligible to apply. And if a candidate has at any time been debarred for a certain period by the OPSC or other State Public Service Commission or the UPSC from appearing at any examination or interview, he or she will not be eligible for such recruitment. That means you may apply from any state in all over the India to these positions guys. Okay, so it is, we can tell that it is all over India recruitment. Okay, so you may apply from any state. And method of selection, so there shall be shortlisting of candidates for each subject as per the UGC guidelines, and the commission has decided that 5 times to the number of vacancies will be shortlisted for the interview. 5 times means now we are having the 504 vacancies are there. So out of the 504 into 5. So these many number of candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, and then finally they will shortlist guys. So there is no examination, there is no written examination or something else. So based upon the applications, I think they will scrutiny and they will directly call for the interview. and the application fee is 400 rupees. And for scheduled SC ST of Odisha only, the PWD are exempted from payment of this fee. That means the candidates belongs to SC ST of other states, they will come under the general category and they have to pay the 400 rupees as a application fee. And a few more conditions are also mentioned here, so you please check down all these conditions, guys. And certificates or documents and print out hard copy of online application form to be produced for verification. HSC or equivalent, higher secondary and intermediate, bachelor's degree, PG degree. If you are having MPhil or PhD, that one. If you qualified for NET, that one, that means NET qualification or PhD qualification. Okay, anything is mandatory for this post, guys. Okay, and mark list. So these are the things you have to show, and few more points are also mentioned here. So here total 24 pages are there, so it is not possible to read all the 24 pages. So I just gave the whatever the important information you require. So I provided that one, and the candidates who are watching this one, please share this video, guys, to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the departments whatever I'm going to read now, that is anthropology, biotechnology, Bengali, botany, business administration, chemistry, commerce, computer science and application, economics, education, English, general studies, geography, geology, history, Hindi, home science, integrated B.Ed or M.Ed courses, and pedagogy of English, and pedagogy of physical science or math, journalism and mass communication and media technology, law, library and information science, life science, botany, zoology, linguistics and marine science, marine biology, material science, mathematics and music, Odia, marine science, oceanography, PMIR, political science, physics, public administration and psychology, Sanskrit, Santali, statistics, social work, sociology, travel, tourism, wildlife and biodiversity conservation, Urdu, zoology, Sahitya, Sarvadarshan, and Advaita Vedanta, Veda, Vyakarana, Nyaya, Dharmashastra and Jyotirvignana. So these are the total different subjects, guys. So nearly 56 departments are there. So really it is a very huge and a mega recruitment. Okay, 504 vacancies from the 56 departments. So utilize this opportunity, guys. All over the India you can apply from any state. Fine. So share this information and please subscribe, like and comment and share. Okay, and tap the bell icon to get the more notifications. Okay, the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time. So those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide